out. '07 Lowrider Mini Cooper with a coolant leak. It has the weight reduction mod. Uh-oh. Okay, this should be interesting. Oh, steering wheel stiff. Say that's rubbing on the tire. A lot of oil leaking on this thing. Ha, got it. Oil everywhere. Except the dipstick. Wow. It's a self-lubricating engine. That should help. Good. There's the leak. Riding too low. That hose has been scraping the ground. Okay, I'm gonna recommend we replace this hose. Then I'm gonna replace these clamps so they don't dig a hole through this boost pipe and zip tie everything off the ground. That should fix this problem. This thing does have some nice adjustable air ride. That's pretty cool. All right, got a replacement hose. Let's clean this mess and get this old hose out of here. So gross. This is definitely close quarters combat, and I hope you fellas can see. I need to get this hose clamp disconnected. It's way up there. Hose clamp pliers on the end of a cable. This might do the trick. Or it might not. Get it? Nope. This is gonna be tough. Oh, I felt it almost. I'm gonna have to try from the top side. Actually, an attempt from the top is gonna prove to be impossible. But I do have these. Give that a shot. Oh, I think I'm gonna get it this time. This might work. Maybe. I have you. Come on. Now. Got it. Now, this clamp right here, I'm going to rotate this 180 degrees so when I shove this up higher where it's supposed to be, it doesn't rub against this boost pipe and rub a hole in the pipe, because that would be bad. Okay. Alright, well that was kind of an epic fail because the new hose is the wrong hose, so I think I'll try this again tomorrow. Alright, so while I'm waiting for this hose to show up, I'm gonna bust out a case of brake clean and a pressure washer and clean all that oil off of this engine, because they want to know where it's leaking from. What do you guys bet? My money's on the timing cover and the turbocharger. That's good. This low rider's too low, but I need this to go in there. I forgot this thing's got some kind of fancy air ride. Turn on. Yeah, it's got an airlift performance whatever package. So I'm just going to lift the front end up. that a subwoofer or an air pump? Holy shit. Cool. Let's see if it went up. A little more. Okay. I think that's high as it goes. Yeah. There. Commence cleaning process now. Oh, this is gonna be the fun part. Oh no. I need another can. Another. Okay. Back with the third can. Clean the rest of this off. Then I'm going to hit it with a pressure washer. Oh, getting fancy. Look at this thing. Okay. All done cleaning that off. Let's wind this little hose back up, put our toys away, and we'll park this car until my parts arrive. Now I know a good portion of you are going to be pissed at me for spraying off an engine with a pressure washer. I assure you it's in no worse condition than whence I found it. And here's the proof. Watch it start. Booyah. See? It's okay. All right, guys. So I've had this rolling oil slick in the shop for about 5 days now, and I still don't have a replacement hose for that radiator. This video is already starting to run a little long, so it looks like we're gonna have to just do this on a part 2. If you like watching me fix up some of these, we'll call them well-used cars, then hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the comments below. Most importantly, don't forget, have a great day.